Hello and welcome to Machine Learning course. I am Devacomputerscience. This is my webpage devacomputerscience.in/ml.php. My first question: what is machine learning? Machine learning, often abbreviation as ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of computer algorithm that improves automatically through experience and by the use of data. In simpler terms, machine learning enables computers to learn from data and make decision or prediction without being explicitly programmed to do so. At its core, ML is all about creating and implementing algorithms that facilitate this decision and prediction. These algorithms are designed to improve their performance over time, become more accurate and effective as they process more data. Geoffrey Everest Hinton is a British Canadian computer scientist, cognitive scientist, cognitive psychologist, and Nobel laureate in physics, known for his work on artificial neural networks, which earned him the title the Godfather of AI. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning related in the following way. AI, artificial intelligence, simulates human intelligence to perform tasks and make decisions. ML is a subset of AI that uses algorithm to learn pattern from data. Next come to deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that employs artificial neural networks for complex tasks. Data science combines math and statistics, specialized program, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning with specific subject matters. Come to next point. Types of machine learning. Machine learning can be broadly classified into three types based on the nature of the learning system and data available: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Sometimes you can get semi-supervised, that is the combine of the supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning. Basically, supervised learning is when we teach or train the machine using the data that is well labeled. Suppose you are given a basket filled with different kind of fruits. Now the first step is to train the machine with all the different fruits one by one. Now suppose after training the data, you have given a new separate fruits, say banana, from the basket and asked to identify it. That is supervised learning. Supervised learning, two types: classification and regression. Classification, that is naive Bayes classifier, decision tree, support vector, random forest, k nearest neighbor. Next regression, linear regression, neural network regression, support vector regression, decision tree regression, lasso regression, ridge regression. Unsupervised learning, only one clustering is unsupervised learning. We will discuss all things: k-mean clustering, mean shift clustering, DB scan clustering, algorithmic hierarchical clustering, and Gaussian mixture. Okay. Next come to unsupervised learning. The training of machine using information that is neither classified nor labeled and following the algorithm to act on the information without guidance. Suppose it is given an image having both dogs and cats which it has never seen. Here are some dogs and cats also. Thus the machine has no idea about the feature of dogs and cats. So we cannot categorize it as a dogs and cat, but it can categorize them according to their similarity, patterns and difference, so that we can easily categorize the above picture into two parts. The other types are reinforcement learning, decision making, Q learning, R learning, TD learning we will discuss. Reinforcement learning, that is the subfield of machine learning. Take action in a dynamic environment through trial and error methods to maximize the collective rewards based on the feedback generated for respective action. We will discuss in our course the multi-arm bandit problem also. You will find all the resources, detailed contents, codes and datasets of our machine learning course right here. Devacomputerscience.in/ml.php. Our course contains 3 parts, 10 units and different section under each unit. Part 1, Statistics for ML. Part 2, Installation Python RStudio and also how to use ML codes with Google Colab. Part 3, Detailed description of every types of ML, understanding the different type of machine learning algorithms. Applied machine learning is practicing on lots of different data set. Here you can see this is detailed content, statistics for machine learning. You will get each and everything related to machine learning. Next, data pre-processing for machine learning, supervised learning, supervised learning, classification and regression, unsupervised learning, clustering, association rule learning, association rule and a priori algorithm, eclairs algorithm, reinforcement learning, decision making. Come to NLP, natural language processing and deep learning, backs of words model also included in NLP. Deep learning and neural networks, ANN, CNN, activation function, gradient descent and backpropagation. Dimension reduction, machine learning, dimension reduction. You will get each and everything related to dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction in machine learning. Dimensionality reduction like dimensionality reduction, principal components analysis, linear discriminant analysis and kernel PCA. Model selection, XGBoost algorithm, Also, you can see online topics, machine learning related to statistics for ML, Python and RML, data preprocessing, supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. Thanks. And coming to next topic, statistics for machine learning.